Welcome to our channel. Today we how to fix Stripe billing login issues, account and payment errors step by step clearly. First, ensure you are entering the correct email address associated with your Stripe account. Next, confirm that your password is accurate and that you have not accidentally included spaces or mistyped it. If you've forgotten your password, click on the Forgot Your Password link on the login page. Follow the prompts to receive a password reset email and create a new password. If you are unable to access your email, check your spam or junk folder for the reset email. Make sure your internet connection is stable and working properly. If you are using a VPN, try disabling it, as it may interfere with the login process. Clear your browser's cache and cookies, as outdated data can cause issues. Try logging in from a different browser or device to see if the problem persists. If you see an error message stating your account is locked, follow the instructions provided to unlock your account. Check if your account has been suspended for any reason by consulting your email for notifications from Stripe. If payment errors occur while trying to log in, ensure that you are using a valid payment method. Confirm that your payment method is up to date and has sufficient funds available. If your billing information has changed, update it in your Stripe account settings. For ongoing issues, visit the Stripe support page for troubleshooting resources. Consider reaching out to Stripe support for further assistance if your problem remains unresolved. Keep your account information and login credentials secure to prevent future issues. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.